Hi, my name is Chris Caswell. I'm with LVI America, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install your software on a PC Windows-based computer for your Premium S2 MagniLink. You can do it in two ways. You either go to our website lviamerica.com, which I have up here in the background. I go to up in the right corner to support. On my left side I will get all our products. We are now going to do this for MagniLink S Premium 2, so I go to software and I can choose either the full version that includes the text-to-speech OCR part as well, including 2 languages. It's possible to purchase more, or the magnification version. But in this video I'm going to show you how to do it from the USB thumb drive that comes in the bag with the product. And here's the folder when I plug in my thumb drive, that's already in here. I go to MagniLink PC Viewer, I go to the MagniLink PC Viewer installation package, I double click, I hit next, I agree on the license, I hit next. And this is important if you have the text-to-speech OCR part, where you have to mark those languages that you would like to have. And like I said before, it comes with 2 languages and it's possible to buy more. And then install. And there we go. So now it's installed, so I hit the finish button here. What I'm going to do now is take my MagniLink S Premium 2. I will plug that into my laptop. And then like that. And on my desktop now I got the MagniLink PC Viewer software icon. I double click. And when I'm going into my software for the first time, or if I have my computer connected to internet and it finds out that we have a new version available for this software, it will ask you if you would like to take a check if there is. And then it will take you through the process to install a new version if it's available. So right now it's checking on the server if there's a new version available. And it found a new version, so it has updated to the latest version that's available. So now we need to go over a couple of more steps to install the new downloaded version, and it's telling me that it will restart the software when this process is done, and then we're ready to go with the latest version available. And then you press finish, and there we go. So this is how easy it is to install the software and also to make sure it has the latest version. So now I'm going to open the software for you. I have my camera connected. The window comes up with the software. I will maximize it. And here we are. So now we have the MagniLink S up and running on my PC computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we're going to go deeper in the magnification part on this MagniLink S Premium 2. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please subscribe and like this video before you move on. Thank you. Bye.